Luigi, you have to go buy some fireworks, remember? Oh, yeah. I definitely buy some fireworks, though, like today. Hey, son, want to leave now?
Oh, yeah, sure, let's go, Dad.
Alright, let's go. Alright, bye, Grandpa. Bye, everybody. Oh, yes. Oh, so weird, son. Alright, son, you ready to go to the fireworks store?
Yeah, let's go buy some fireworks. This is going to be the most awesome 4th of July ever. Hey,
Oh, you talking to us? Yeah.
do you want some illegal fireworks?
First, well, what do you got?
Alright, you can check the selection right here.
Alright. Oh, those are, I can see through the box. They're pretty nice.
Alright,
How much would that cost?
$1 gazillion.
What gazillion dollars? Why is it so expensive?
Because it was handcrafted by my slave.
I don't have that type of money.
Then get lost. Get out of here.
No, I'll take the whole box.
No, don't take my fireworks. No!
They took my...
They took my fireworks. I have to give up my slave now.
Oh, hey Dad, I'm back here at the fireworks store. Oh, that's good. Go see a selection they got. You sure follow us? We did. Alright, let's go. Alright, Dad, this is with the fireworks. Wow. Oh, that's pretty good. Man, that's a good one, son. Good job. Yeah. Yay. I stole them from the drug dealer or something. What? I don't need to hear that. Whatever. Let's got fireworks for the year. Yeah, we're gonna have the best 4th of July, right, son? Son, where'd it go?
I'm here, Daddy.
Yeah, we're the best 4th of July ever.
And don't forget about my birthday, July 7th.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that again. Yeah, and why not? So yeah, that's all for this skit today. Just enjoy the rest of your day and stuff. Sorry for not uploading in a while, but this is like all I could do because why not? So yeah, that's it. So yeah, we're gonna light these off for the 4th of July. So yeah, I might make a video about that too. So yeah, all right, bye guys.